Alright, so, okay. We're going right on to the beach. Because the beach is awesome and we're all in our swimsuits. We've had a lot of difficulties getting ready for this beach trip. Oh no, it's a red light. Red lights are awful. Red lights are the worst, because red lights keep us behind from everything. Now let's go to the beach. Now, we're here. Now we can go swimming. I have this really cute bathing suit on. Yay! I'm gonna go build a sandcastle. Because sandcastles are awesome. First I'm gonna kick, and then I'm gonna rebuild. And now I'm gonna sit down. Hello, there's this random girl. There's this random girl at the beach. Can you please donate some money? No soliciting, please. Soliciting. I don't know how to spell that. Soliciting. Solicit. I don't have money. I'm sorry. I don't have money. Now let's go for a swim. We're going for a swim. Going for a swim. We're going for a swim. Swim is really lovely. Oh no, I need to pay my house bills. Well, I might as well go pay my house bills. I'll see you in a bit. Gotta do a really slick turn. Oops, I just drove in the grass. I'm not really good. I don't know why they gave me my license. They made a big mistake. Oh, red light. Yeah, that was super fun. We have to totally do it again. Why is this girl next to us? Shouldn't she be behind us? Whatever. Stupid red light. Can this red light ever turn green? Oh, never mind. It just turned green. It turned green. That's a relief. Because red lights are red lights. For so long, even when no cars are coming, it makes no sense. Oops. Glad that was my ear because I just ran all over the place. Where? Okay, there's my garage. I was like, huh? Where'd it go? Now I'm gonna go pay my bills. Gotta pay my bills, pay bills. Now I'm gonna go get changed. Just chilling in my bathtub. I hope I don't drown. I'm gonna brush my teeth. I'm gonna get changed now. I got changed, and now I'm just gonna go up with my roommate and make her dinner, because I love doing that for people. Now I'm just gonna scream. I'ma make dinner. Is she in here? Oh, she's right there. I'm gonna make dinner and you can get changed into your dry clothes. So, let me just go make dinner. I have no clue what she wants for dinner, so I'm just gonna try to make something that she might like. No, I don't want to make something that takes too long. I'm just gonna make spaghetti and meatballs. Form the spaghetti meatball, like, make the meatballs, like, so they're circular and they're not, like, squares or, like, a big clump, you know? And now I'm gonna fry them on the stove, because won't you need a frying pan to fry things? Nope, we'll just do it on the stove, I guess. I don't know what drink to give her. I think I'm gonna make her a smoothie. Oh, look at her. She's in dry clothes. Claps. Yeah, I'm clapping. Good job. Okay, I'm finishing up. I'm finishing so I can put it on the table. Oh, I have to boil it. Boil it on the stove. You can make yourself a smoothie. She can make herself a smoothie. Is this? Oh. So we sat on two different sides of the table because it's just a better way. Oh, no, I don't want to take intelligence. I just want to take a quick meal. Not a smoothie because she's doing that. So I'm going to do a hot chocolate. I'm going to have a hot chocolate. I'm just going to heat up in the microwave. Yeah. Oh, well, it was a shake milkshake. Okay. How long does this take to heat up? Hurry up, gosh. Thank you. Now I'm gonna drink my drink and eat my spaghetti. Eat, eat, eat. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so now we're sitting out on the porch. How was your day? Good, you? I feel like we have the same word sometimes. That's good. So, do you have friends in town, maybe? Do you have friends in town in BloxBurg? Oops. My words are not coming out of my mouth. Good. It's good that she has friends in town other than me, her roommate. That's good, Lila. That's very good. Lila, I think we are friends. I think we are friends, Lila. We've been getting along so well. Don't you think? I mean, we've been getting along well, so doesn't that mean we're friends? What do you think? I agree. Yeah. should go work out. We should go work out. Do you think we should go work out? Oh, oops. I actually have a gym here. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. She has no idea where it is, even though she's my roommate. It's right here, Lila. See? It's a gym. Thank you. I'm just gonna quickly change without her seeing. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oopsies. Let's just put on a camp outfit. That will work. Oh, did I just get skinnier? Oh wow. I don't know that I actually worked out enough to get that skinny that quick, but maybe it's the outfit. Maybe it makes me look. Maybe it looks a little bit littler. You know what? Actually, I think I'm gonna go change into just a random outfit. You know, just let me run because I think I need to get back down to my original a good weight because I'm kind of a little bit buff. Okay, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this roleplay. Shout out to Lila. Shout out to Lila for being a good roommate. Being a good roleplay roommate. For being a good roleplay roommate. No problem. So, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what I should do in the next video. Thank you guys so much. Bye.